Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond our Milky Way? There's a galaxy out there, 2.5 million light years away, that's rushing toward us, the Andromeda Galaxy. It's more than just a glowing dot. It's a galaxy filled with wonders, mysteries, and unimaginable beauty. Stay with me as we take a cosmic journey to explore the incredible Andromeda Galaxy. Welcome back to FactifyX 69, your gateway to understanding the mysteries of the universe. Today we're embarking on a mind-blowing adventure to the Andromeda Galaxy. It's not just the closest spiral galaxy to us, it's also a mirror into the cosmos, teaching us about the universe's past, present, and future. From its sheer size and beauty to the awe-inspiring collision it will have with our Milky Way, there's so much to uncover. Let's dive in. 1. What is the Andromeda Galaxy? Let's start with the basics. The Andromeda Galaxy, also called M31, is our closest galactic neighbor. It's enormous, stretching over 220,000 light-years across, and contains over 1 trillion stars. To put that into perspective, that's twice as many stars as the Milky Way. Andromeda is so big that even though it's 2.5 million light-years away, it's visible from Earth as a faint, glowing blur. You're essentially looking at ancient light that started traveling toward us when early humans were just beginning to walk the Earth. 2. A cosmic collision is coming. Here's a fact that will blow your mind. Andromeda is heading straight for the Milky Way at a speed of 110 kilometers per second. Don't worry, it won't collide with us anytime soon. The two galaxies are expected to merge in about 4.5 billion years. But what will happen when two massive galaxies meet? Instead of a catastrophic crash, they'll slowly blend together over millions of years, forming a brand new galaxy scientists call Milkomeda. Imagine an entirely new night sky, filled with a spectacular swirl of stars. 3. What's inside Andromeda? Andromeda is a treasure trove of cosmic wonders. It has a supermassive black hole at its core, just like our Milky Way. There are over 450 globular clusters, dense collections of stars orbiting the galaxy. Andromeda is also home to many smaller satellite galaxies. Just like the Milky Way has the Magellanic Clouds, these features make Andromeda a rich area for scientific discovery. Every new finding teaches us more about how galaxies like ours form, evolve, and eventually die. 4. Can you see Andromeda? Here's the best part. You don't need to be an astronomer with fancy equipment to see Andromeda. If you live in a place with dark skies and minimal light pollution, you can spot it with your naked eye. It appears as a faint smudge in the northern sky, near the constellation Andromeda. Grab a pair of binoculars or a small telescope, and you'll be able to see its bright core and even hints of its spiral structure. Imagine looking at another galaxy with your own eyes. It's an experience that will leave you in awe. 5. Why Andromeda matters. Andromeda isn't just a beautiful sight in the sky. It's a cosmic time capsule. Its stars and structures give us clues about the history of the universe, how galaxies grow, and what our own Milky Way might look like to a distant observer. It's also a reminder of how interconnected everything in the cosmos truly is. Have you ever seen the Andromeda Galaxy in the night sky? If so, where were you? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. Imagine you could travel to Andromeda. What would you want to explore first? Its stars, planets, or the mysteries of its black hole? Share your cosmic dreams below. If you're amazed by space and want to learn more, tell me what you'd like me to cover in the next video. Your ideas fuel this journey. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If you found this journey fascinating, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're ready to explore more mysteries of the universe, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Together, let's keep exploring the infinite wonders of space. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars